What's up everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are making Cajun pasta from scratch. I have some bow tie noodles and some cream cheese. I also have a cup of milk already measured, some sliced peppers. I have some shrimp, and then also have my chicken breast, which is already sliced. And then for seasoning, we're going to use some garlic powder, a little lemon pepper, some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. Then I have some Badia Cajun seasoning and some black pepper and some Lawry's seasoning. Also have in the back, you'll see some Parmesan cheese, which I'm going to use towards the end. And then for some bread, you got to have bread, some croissant rolls, okay? So I already had my water boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and start cooking those bow tie noodles. Mix those up a little bit and then add some salt. So when I do seasoning, I don't actually measure. I'm a person that goes by taste, so I taste along the way so I can know if something is good or not. So I'm just going to use all those seasonings and spread an even layer over my shrimp and my chicken. I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to add a little bit more to the chicken because there's more in the bowl.
It's tied tunes on the beat.
Next, we're going to melt about 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of all those seasonings inside of the butter and let it melt and mix together. Then we're going to put all of our meat and our veggies and spread them out and mix it up really nice inside of the pot. And then after that, we're going to add a little bit more seasoning on top, and then we're going to let this simmer and cook for about 15 minutes. So since this is my first time making this, I decided to add a little bit more butter, about 1 more tablespoon, just so I wouldn't have anything sticking to the bottom since all of the other butter has already melted. And then we're just going to keep mixing this up and then continue to let it cook. Okay, so now it's time for my favorite part, the bread. I have some croissant rolls, and I've already preheated my oven to 350 because I have a non-stick pan. Y'all, I love bread, okay? I really do. But anyway, I take these and we usually eat them with cinnamon butter, or I make a honey butter. So now that we have our bread cooking, I'm going to go back, and this is pretty much done. So I'm going to go ahead and add my cup of milk and then the 4 ounces of cream cheese, which I already cut. And we're just going to let this kind of blend together, and we're going to keep mixing it as it melts. and then pretty much keep mixing until it's like a consistent blend. So I chose to add a little more seasoning because that milk and cream cheese is going to kind of dilute the taste that we've already had in here. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of everything and then mix this together so it can kind of cook and blend in.
It's time to the feet.
Once your cream cheese is fully melted and you have a nice blend and consistency, we're going to go ahead and add 3/4 of the Parmesan cheese. And once I added this, I actually decided that I was going to need more of the sauce once I added my noodles, because once this is blended together, you can go ahead and add those. So I decided to go ahead and add about another 1/2 cup of milk, and then I added about another 1/4 to 2/4, basically a 1/2 cup of the Parmesan cheese. Alright guys, and this is the final product of my very first time cooking Cajun pasta from scratch. So if you guys try this, let me know how it tastes. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get it to 10 likes. Bye guys!